Hey everybody, welcome to Trailer Talk. Today we've got a great guest with us. This is Mr. René, and René has been a hot shotter since hot shotting was founded. And today he wants to talk to us a little bit about what you can do. It's about kind of about the industry and whether it's a good time to get into everything. So René, the first question that we got to ask everybody, it's your first time on the show, is how do you make money with trailers?
How do you make money with trailers?
Well, how do you make money with trailers? Everyone can make money in some way with trailers. How do you make money with trailers? How do trailers pay your bills?
Oh, I do a lot of oversized twick loads, hazmat loads, which you stand out from the rest when you don't have a hazmat or oversized. So that's where a lot of the money's at. Permanent loads, but you got to get all your permit money in order to make it profitable too. When you have dispatchers that have never done oversized loads and they say it's included in the rate con, and it's not, because almost each state that you have to travel is going to be $100 per state just to get permits. So you need to make sure, tell them to break it down. Always break it down. How much for the load? How much for the permit? And when they tell you $200 for the permits and you got to cross 3 or 4 state lines, it's not enough. You got to get additional money. And oversized, you got to go out of route. So you better get a little extra for going out of route than a straight
Well,
line.
out of route, you mean you can't travel on like main highways?
Right. Because depending on how wide you are. So I did a load that I had to take to West Virginia, and I couldn't take the turnpike. So I'm having to take alternate routes, and that's a couple hundred miles out of route. And so now you got fuel expenses on top of the way the crow flies. So you need to calculate all that, figure all that out when you're taking those kind of loads. That's why I always say break it down. And if it's a Friday and you can't deliver on a Monday, you need to get overnight pay, hotel pay, or otherwise you're losing money. And
Depending on weather conditions or what have you, all of that matters.
absolutely, a lot of guys don't do that stuff, And the hot shot is not supposed to occur all those expenses. When you are going down, when it's not an oversized load and you're going down toll roads and toll bridges, that's money out of your pocket. $100 to go in East Coast and $100 to come out. So there's $200 less, a $2,000 rate con, plus your fuel and everything else. You're losing money. So I always make them break it down.
Right. So you mentioned hazmat. Is there special training for that? Is that just a license you got to get, yourself, or how does one? Is that something a beginner could even do, or do you need like some kind of experience? Like how do you get hazmat certified?